Hey everybody, so you're looking at the Vivo Nex 2, and yes, as all the leaks and rumors have suggested, this is a dual screen phone. So all you have to do is press this button on the back and it'll tell you to flip the phone and you have that second screen on the back. So this is just like the Nubia X, but you know, Vivo's implementation is a little bit better just because Vivo's a little bit more experienced in making smartphones. So first of all, both displays on the front and the back are OLED panels. So you have a 6.4 inch OLED display right here, no notch, completely uninterrupted, and a 5.5 inch OLED panel on the back. So the main reason for this screen is so you can take selfies without needing a notch, because there's only one camera system. This is a pretty nice camera system. It's a triple camera setup with a 12 megapixel main lens with an f1.8 aperture, a secondary depth sensor that's for taking bokeh shots, and the third lens is a TOF camera. TOF stands for time of flight, so it measures the distance between light and the time it takes to reflect off the subject. So it's used to scan 3D objects. So Vivo has built a facial scanning system into this that Vivo claims is superior to the iPhone XS's system. So you can use your face to unlock the phone, and also you can scan your face for a pretty creepy 3D avatar of yourself. I mean, check out how good it scanned my face. It even got all my acne scars. You know, I have really bad skin. So look at the camera. This is obviously a much better camera than what's found on the Nubia X. So we'll cycle through all the modes really quick. You have photo, video, and you have AR stickers right here. And photo, you have a bunch of different modes. So you have all these filters right here that you like to do, and you have this pose mode right here, which is pretty gimmicky in my opinion. So you can have a pose right here to kind of guide you on how to take selfies. And you can also have mirror mode. So the mirror mode only works in camera viewfinder mode. So you tap on this, so now both the front and the back screen is on. So now the main use of camera mode is so that now say I'm taking a photo of someone sitting right here, right? That person sitting there will be able to see exactly what I'm shooting. Then he or she can tell me, hey, like my hair is not right now, so let me fix my hair. Or maybe, hey, your framing is bad. So Vivo says that this is built for boyfriends because, you know, they have to take photos of the girlfriends a lot, and the girlfriends might not like how their boyfriends take the photo. So, oh, and I forgot to mention that around the camera is this circular ring. Mr. Who's the Boss already, you know, teased it. It's a fill light, so it's for taking selfies in the dark, because you have the circular lighting that, you know, illuminates your face a little bit more balanced. I'm obviously not the person to take selfies. So otherwise, everything about the phone is pretty standard. You have Snapdragon 845 with 10 gigs of RAM. 10 gigs of RAM, it's probably overkill to be honest, but hey, I'd rather have too much than have too little. And this phone ships with Android 9.0. There's Fun Touches software on top, so it's a little bit funky, like a Chinese software. You swipe down the middle to enable a system-wide search, just like on iPhones. And you swipe from the bottom to bring up like all these shortcut toggles. So when you swipe from the top, you only have notifications. You don't have any shortcut toggles right here. So, you know, Vivo software is a little bit funky. Not everyone's gonna love it, but at least it looks pretty clean. This phone feels very nice in the hand. Oh, and one more thing. This phone has a headphone jack. That's because Vivo, it's a phone company that specializes in music and photos. I think the slogan is actually camera and music. So there's a headphone jack in here, and there's a hi-fi DAC inside this phone. Yeah, so I don't know the pricing yet of this phone. I will have the pricing in about an hour or two, and then when that comes, I'll update it in the comments. So that's it for now. Just a quick look at the Vivo Nex 2. I'm really liking this. It's a really clean design. Feels very comfortable in the hand. You know, Snapdragon 845 is a little bit old now, but still powerful enough. And headphone jack, and the triple camera system looks very nice. So overall, this is a really well-built phone. I'm quite excited to make this my daily driver next week. So that's it for now. I'll be back with more on the Vivo Nex 2 soon. Thanks for watching.